Welcome back, guys. हम करेंगे practical electricity question 8 paper 25054. Let's start. Question 8. A fuse is one form of protection in an electrical circuit. State two other forms of protections that are included in household electrical circuits. These may protect the consumer, the circuit, or an appliance, electrical appliance. First of all, we will look into the double insulation. The double insulation is when the wire is insulated with two layers. पहले तो उसकी होगी layers ना, what do you call it, the wire के ऊपर जो insulation होती है, which is the rubber insulation. और उसके बाद the cover of that hair dryer, for example hair dryer है, उसका जो cover होगा that will also be made of plastic. So there will be double insulation. Secondly, there will be a circuit breaker, and thirdly there will be a earth wire. So earth wire, double insulation or circuit breaker. ठीक है ना, इनमें से इन तीनों में से कोई भी समझ आ गई. So let's move on. B. Figure 8.1 shows the fuse box connected to part of a lightning circuit in a house. State how figure 8.1 shows that the wire W is the live wire because the fuses are connected to the live wire and live wire only. Switch हो गया, fuse हो गया, circuit breaker हो गया. All of these will be connected to the live wire. ठीक है ना? Because the fuses are connected to the live wire only. So that is the answer. समझ आ गई? On figure 8.1, mark with a letter S the correct position for a switch that controls both of the lamps. So this is gonna be the flow of current. And आप अगर यहाँ switch लगा दोगे somewhere here, इधर से इधर तक, you can control both of the lamps. आगे चलते हैं. The rating of the fuse in the lightning circuit is 5 amperes. Explain what is meant by this. So आपको काफी रेटिंग्स मिलती होंगी, आपको रेटिंग्स मिल गई, उसकी पावर की मिल गई, करंट की मिल गई रेटिंग्स. रेटिंग क्या करता क्या है, वो उसको क्या मतलब रिप्रेजेंट क्या करता है. इन अ फ्यूज द रेटिंग आइडेंटिफाइज या प्रेजेंट्स कि अगर इससे नीचे नीचे करंट हुआ, 5 एम्पेयर से नीचे नीचे करंट हुआ, so it will easily let the current pass in the fuse, right? But the moment the current exceeds 5 amperes, the fuse will blow or melt. ठीक है ना? The fuse will blow or melt the moment the current exceeds 5 amperes. This is a safety mechanism in the fuse to prevent any person or something getting shocked. ठीक है ना? So that is the answer. So current is larger than 5 ampere. A fuse blows, melts, breaks circuit. Can only pass current up to 5 amperes. और जब वो fuse blow होगा, it will separate the, what do you call it, the circuit. ठीक है ना? It will isolate the circuit. So there will be no more power going into the fuse. I mean into the circuit. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.